eyes.
I'm sorry. Oh, sorry, I hit your eye. I hit your eye, I'm sorry. Okay, we're gonna put some water in it so that it'll be easier.
Yeah, so it'll be a liquid, not a solid.
I think. Hold on a sec.
Wow, well, Miss Jenny goes and confirms something. We will look at these and we'll see them. Hey, let's look at the cabbage first.
Has it been 10 minutes?
It hasn't been 10 minutes, but look at it already. It's purplish and it's losing its color.
Okay, well, we're gonna finish.
Okay. Be careful with the hot iron. That's all I'm saying.
Is it very good? I really don't want any, the food like the liquid cabbage is liquid in it, so I don't think so.
Well, we changed our minds and we decided to keep it as a solid because we just realized that the cabbage is actually the cabbage juice,
It's
which
a
is
liquid, so then
yeah.
it would.
wouldn't stay as a solid; it'll turn into a liquid.
Okay.
Like some of us were trying to say.
Well then.
So now we're just gonna wait for this.
Okay. We have 2 minutes and 10 seconds left.
2 minutes and 10 seconds.
I think we should boil it at it. Should we clean the floor? Or should I think we should do that?
Yeah.
And
Johnny. So those are our household items that you could get anywhere at any store. Right, Jenny?
Yes,
Miss
so
Jenny?
this is a very simple experiment, so it shouldn't cost too much. And after you're done, you could just drink the Coke and Sprite.
Even though they're bad for your teeth,
Okay, yes.
you should drink the water instead.
Which is good for you. Okay.
How many minutes?
1 minute and 8 seconds left.
8 seconds.
Yeah, well, and counting.
So these are the items.
So, should we entertain the kids? I don't know in what way, but
Okay.
see this. What is this used for?
I think that's to clear out your tubes if it's clogged or something.
Okay. It smells really bad. And the milk of magnesia smells really bad too.
I think the milk of magnesia is used,
For medicine.
yes,
I hate
to
medicine.
help you.
You have a tea in here?
Doesn't work.
Oh.
It's to relieve occasional constipation.
Okay. I'm sure some people would like to use that. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Okay, so put that
Okay, Mr.
here.
Nair. Okay.
Okay, so now
You didn't see
it's
that, Mr.
time.
Nair. You didn't
No,
see that.
it was a figment of your imagination.
Yes, it was. See, what are phones? What are phones?
So
Okay.
this is done, and this
You can see the cabbage lost a lot of its color.
So now we're gonna pour it
Into the
into this.
measuring cup.
Yes.
But using the strainer.
You should do this in the sink, so that way you don't mess anything up.
Or create really big messes.
Yes. And put a strainer so that it can. Okay.
Careful.
Always be careful with this.
Hot. Oh. Whoops. That's a lot of cabbage. Okay. Yeah. Well, just
we're
put it
gonna
back
throw this out later after we're done with the experiment. Because I don't think anyone would really like to eat that.
Not really. Okay, so now we have our indicator. And now we're going to pour.
No, wait. We have to always let it cool first.
Oh, okay.
So put it here in the thingy, or else it's gonna melt.
Okay.
Always be careful when handling glass. Okay, we're gonna let that cool down. So we're gonna let it cool down.
Oh, okay. So, what is this for?
That's if you need to and you can't handle using big things. You put it in here and then you just
for those little
pour it.
kids out
Yeah.
there. Just for you guys.
Yeah, just for you guys.
Okay, so we're gonna use these chopsticks to mix the indicator with the household items.
It's better not to use your fingers,
Yeah.
or else
That
you'll
would
get
cause some
burned.
problems.
Yes. So we're just gonna wait for this to cool down a minute. Okay. I think it's ready, right? Yes, blowing it in there will definitely make it cool faster.
It will.
Okay. So okay, there's no smoke now, right?
Just a little bit.
So it looks like purple dye, and I think back then, when they didn't have dyes, they used it to dye their clothes. Like maybe Queen Victoria did it.
The Phoenicians were very, very famous for purple dye.
Yeah, but didn't they use snails?
The Phoenicians were very, very famous for purple dye.
So maybe instead of using snails, they used cabbage.
Yes. Alright, so I think, should we pour?
Yeah, it's cool down. We'll put it here so that it could cool down more.
Okay. I think we should put it like... How much should we pour?
Just a little bit. Okay. Ooh, we're gonna need more.
Okay.
Okay, so
We're gonna
first,
use the lemon juice.
we're gonna pour in a little of the lemon juice.
Okay.
Magic.
Magic. And you see that it turns pink. Okay.
And no matter if you put more in it, it's still pink.
Alright.
So lemon juice turns pink. Let's
So-
just write that down, and then later we'll see.
Or we'll record it.
We'll record it
Later.
later.
And so, okay.
Yes.
So it stays pink. Yellow
Next.
to pink. Yellow to pink. Okay.
Next is Listerine. You should use the other side so
Yeah,
it doesn't contaminate.
Well, it turned kind of purplish.
Violet-ish.
So that would mean that it's neutral. Wouldn't it? Yes.
I guess we'll have to confirm that later.
Yes.
No, you don't need to shake it down much.
Okay. So I'm going to use a new one. So you don't contaminate the other liquids.
Next is vinegar.
Oh, wow.
Is that red? That's red.
Yep. Okay.
Next is the milk of magnesia.
Oh my god.
Eh,
It turned green. So that means it's really acidic. I mean basic. Whoops.
Basic.
Basic.
See, she was trying to trick
Yes,
you.
yes.
It's
But I
going
guess I can't get you guys.
Next is
Such a pretty color.
Coca-Cola.